How to set up your work email with Outlook. First, open the Microsoft Outlook. If you want to set up your work email, all you have to do is add the account. Make sure Home option is selected. Scroll down to the bottom. Click on the option Add Account. Now you can add the new email account over here. You can add the Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, Cloud, etc. accounts. Click on this field. Enter the work email over here. Work email is normally provided by the companies themselves. Right now I do not have any work email, but I'll tell you what to do. After you enter the email account, click on the option Continue. After you do that, enter the password. You will likely be redirected to your company's sign-in page. You might need to complete the multi-factor authentication too. Make sure you complete them. Select Done once the account is added. Now restart the Outlook. Simply close the Outlook and open it again. Once you do that, Outlook will automatically configure the settings for you. Your work email will be set up. Like this, you can set up your work email with Outlook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.